हाय व्यूअर्स, ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ द विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल बिहाइंड मी एंड एक्चुअली ना इट वाज built by Emerson. Yeah, I mean the architecture, and you can see the domes there, and some kind of italic statues are also there. Actually, this architecture is a mixture of Indo-Saracenic style. That is, it is a combined architecture of Mughals, quite italic, and British architecture. Okay, like the domes there are the Mughal architecture, which is not pure Mughal architecture, but it is you can see it is quite a replica of Taj Mahal, that dome-like structure. Actually, today is Monday and we were not allowed to get inside this, but we will be soon. So I was talking about these domes. You can see closely, see the structure. Okay, it is beautifully built and a replica of Taj Mahal, and all these statues have their own significance. Okay, and here is the statue of Mr. Curzon. Look at this closely. The entire place is spread around 57 acres, and it was conceived by Lord Curzon, the then Viceroy and Governor General of India, and I mean in the memory of Queen Victoria, who was not only the Queen of Britain but also the Queen of India. Every inch of this structure has been built with Makrana marble, and it was the same marble which has been used in building the Taj Mahal. It is also gifted with huge gardens which were designed by Lord Redesdale and David Brain, and the garden gates were designed by Emerson's assistant Vincent Ake. This was the same architect who was invited by the Nizam of Hyderabad for designing Hyderabad High Court, City College of Hyderabad, etc. If you remember one thing, then in 1911 the capital was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. Still, this structure has been built. I mean, it was completed finally. Now it is governed by the Board of Trustees with Governor of West Bengal as the chairperson. It is also called Taj of the Raj. Okay, and for building it cost around 1 crore 5 lakh rupees in the year 1906 to 1921, the time period when it was built, and in the same period, that is in 1921, it was opened for the public. See this marble. Okay, this is the same marble which has been used in Taj Mahal also. Actually, Britishers were quite good in copying the things. Okay. These are the marbles of those time. I mean, 1921, and today we are living in 2021. That means 100 years passed. These are the rock pebbles all around the monument. Actually, the foundation stone was placed by George V, the Prince of Wales, in 1906. The most amazing fact is that to build this entire structure, the funds were raised from Indians. Okay, Britishers had not spent a single penny in building this monument. Actually, this entire place was a village named Govindpur, which was all cleared to build this monument, and Presidency Jail was here in this place. So that's all for today.